Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get the LV filter on Instagram story. So we are in Instagram effect gallery, and Instagram have different categories of filter. This is the fandom category. Actually this LV filter should be here, but we can't see it here. I am seeing only this 4. So if you are getting this error also, you can go to my profile, and here you can see my highlights. Here that's a LV highlight, and you can see all this LV filter I found in Instagram. I kept here. You can find almost 19 LV filter here. So you can see this filter name and creator name on the top of the screen. You have to tap there. Now this pop-up will come. From here you can try this filter and you can save this to your camera. So let's check all the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can go to my highlight, and in my highlight you can go to this LV and you can get this LV filter from here. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.